गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं आपके समक्ष एचआर ट्रेनर उपस्थित हूँ। काफ़ी जद्दोजहद करने के बाद इस निष्कर्ष पे पहुँचे कि रोल ऑफ एचआर in sales management is very important. People are having perception that HR means calculation of PF, PSIC, bonus, gratuity, compliances, that's all. No, HR journey has not started even if you are doing only this work. You are busy in the statutory compliances only. No. What is the add-on value? Today, industrialists, they are looking that what is the add-on value of each individual in the growth of organization. One may be suppressing to the overheads, minimizing to the overheads, and other is accelerating to the profit. HR fraternity may be known to suppress the overheads, rationalize the overheads time to time. But when you talk about sales management and the contribution of HR, then you are directly aiding on in the profit of the organization. Basically, HR plays a very important role, that is fixation of rational target. In annual meeting, head of sales was asked to enhance 25% profit in the existing profit, and that is the target of the forthcoming year. Quantification of 25% will differ from the size of the organization to organization, but somehow it will be a pressure tactic on the head of sales department and their team. What HR does? HR helps to understand the potential of each people from his own perception or with the perception of the concerned HOD, and then he comes with an agreement with the concerned HOD that how many people are there in the sales, and to achieve 25% more, what is the individual burden. They quantify. They say that Mr. X, you have to do the business of 3 crore in this year. Mr. Y, you have to do the business of 2 crore in this financial year. Mr. Z, you have to pursue the target of 1.5 crore in this year, and so on. It is just an example, we are not matching the data. Then HR role is also to point out the competency lying in the each individual, because just loading a target money wise, product wise, is really he is having capacity or not. If he is having capacity, then well, let's go ahead. Then this is the fixation of the target. Second, who is achiever, who is not achiever. If he is achieving, very fine. If he is not achieving, then what kind of the motivational training program should be there? Design it, develop the material, involve the concerned HOD also, and put all people in a team and counsel them, tell them, convey them that this is the target you have accepted, what problem you are facing not to achieve it. Very first thing, that create a sense of team spirit among all those guys and convey a message that together team, together everyone achieves more. One is the individual target and to achieve it. If not, then put them in the team, put them in the team and let them sense that who is doing how. Maybe that he is not able to perceive properly, that's why he is not able to knock the door of the customer. Maybe the other team member is able to penetrate properly and that's why he is doing well. So put them in the team, and again I elaborate that together everyone achieves more, that is called team, and let them perform. Some healthy way will be coming, and thus each individually and together in a team will achieve the target of each one.